millions of pounds processed every year. This giant fruit is about to begin an incredible journey through one of the world's largest jackfruit factories. Every day, tons of fresh jackfruit arrive from nearby farms.
I'm noting this discoloration here near the stem. Good catch. It seems localized, but let's keep an eye on the batch.
Powerful cutting equipment prepares the fruit for separation.
Keep the speed steady, we don't want it jamming up.
Looks good. The consistency is perfect. This is the stage that creates the famous shredded texture.
We need to optimize the output on the main line. If we increase the torque by 5%, we should clear the bottleneck. Adjusting the feed rate now.
Look at Bay 4, we've got a temperature spike.
I'm on it. Rerouting the coolant now. That should stabilize it.
Only premium quality jackfruit continues to processing. Only premium quality jackfruit continues to processing. After processing, the jackfruit enters the final packaging stage. The product is carefully prepared for its final form.
We need to adjust the temperature setting on Unit 4. It's running too high. Confirmed.
Quality control. The batch is ready for inspection. This one is clear. Did you get the count on pallet 4? Yes, showing 7 to 5. Let's move to the next row.
Before shipping, products are stored in giant distribution centers.
Watch the side, bring it in slow. All right, it's clear. Setting it down now.
But the scale of this factory is even bigger than most people imagine.